Ooh, analytical. Are you gonna go through there? Caitlin? Willis. This guy is Cristo. This little boy got parvovirus when he was 6 months old. How am I gonna save this dog? Like, or what the hell is wrong? Was the first thing I thought. When I went to the vet, they were like, you can spend $3,000 and we can give him IVs and stuff, and I don't have that kind of money, and so I wanted to see like what kind of holistic things. Colloidal silver comes up in some searches, and I know it's controversial in the medical field.
And obviously, you know, pets and animals in general, because people do use it in veterinary schools and stuff like that as well. There's definitely no reason to have to use antibiotics on your pets when you can use colloidal silver.
So I instantly went to him and got some colloidal silver. So gave it to this little boy, and he started eating within just a couple hours, almost immediately.
If you really need to use, you know, colloidal silver or antibiotics in general, they both work the same way. They're gonna, you know, get rid of what's in its path, regardless of if it's bad or not.
And I decided to do the colloidal treatment instead of going to the vet and spending all that money, because nature can help you out for a lot less.